Today, I'm putting the 2025 fastest OBDII diagnostic scan tool to the test to see if it really can save me big on vehicle maintenance. Let's see how much I can save. As a vehicle owner, keeping your ride in top condition is crucial, but it can be tough without the right tools. The 2025 fastest OBDII diagnostic scan tool is here to change that. This powerful device is designed to make vehicle maintenance a breeze, giving you the insights you need to keep your vehicle running smoothly. We've all been there: strange noises, warning lights on the dashboard, and you're left wondering what's going on under the hood. Without the right diagnostic tool, you're basically guessing, and that can lead to costly repairs. I recall a friend who spent a small fortune on a repair that turned out to be a simple fix. It's frustrating and can be avoided with the right equipment. The lack of a reliable diagnostic tool can lead to more than just costly repairs. It can also mean spending hours at the mechanic's shop, trying to figure out what's wrong. And let's not forget the potential safety risks of driving a vehicle with an unknown issue. It's a situation that can be both financially and emotionally taxing. Many vehicle owners also struggle with the complexity of modern vehicles. With advanced technology comes advanced troubleshooting, and that's where the 2025 fastest OBDII diagnostic scan tool comes in. It's not just about having a tool, it's about having a comprehensive solution that can keep up with your vehicle's needs. The reality is, without the right tools, vehicle maintenance can quickly become a nightmare. But what if there was a way to simplify the process, to make diagnosing and fixing issues straightforward and cost-effective? That's exactly what the 2025 fastest OBDII diagnostic scan tool promises. The 2025 fastest OBDII diagnostic scan tool boasts some impressive features. It's incredibly fast, can be used with ease even by those who aren't tech-savvy, and offers a range of benefits over its predecessors. For starters, its rapid diagnosis capabilities mean you spend less time figuring out what's wrong and more time fixing it. Its user-friendly interface is another significant advantage. You don't need to be a professional mechanic to use it. The tool guides you through the process, making it accessible for everyone. Plus, it's designed to be compatible with a wide range of vehicles, ensuring that more people can benefit from it. One of the standout features of this tool is its ability to provide detailed reports on your vehicle's health. This means you can track issues over time, making it easier to plan maintenance and avoid sudden, costly repairs. It's about taking control of your vehicle's maintenance, rather than letting issues catch you off guard. But what really sets the 2025 fastest OBDII diagnostic scan tool apart is its upgrade from previous models. With enhanced speed and accuracy, it represents a significant leap forward in diagnostic technology. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, this tool can make a big difference in your work. I'd like to share a story about a user who saved a substantial amount of money thanks to this tool. John, a regular guy who likes to do his own car maintenance, was facing a mysterious issue with his vehicle. The check engine light was on, and he was worried it might be something serious. Using the 2025 fastest OBDII diagnostic scan tool, John was able to quickly identify the problem: a loose gas cap. It turned out to be a simple fix that he could do himself, saving him a trip to the mechanic and a hefty bill. John's experience isn't unique. Many users have reported similar savings and convenience. It's a testament to how this tool can make a real difference in people's lives, saving them both time and money. The detailed insights provided by the tool also gave John peace of mind. He was able to monitor his vehicle's health over time, catching potential issues before they became major problems. It's this kind of proactive approach to maintenance that's made possible by the 2025 fastest OBDII diagnostic scan tool. In summary, the 2025 fastest OBDII diagnostic scan tool is a game changer for vehicle maintenance. It offers speed, ease of use, and detailed insights that can save you money and hassle in the long run. Whether you're dealing with mysterious noises, dashboard warnings, or just want to stay on top of maintenance, this tool can help. If you've had any experiences with diagnostic tools or vehicle maintenance, I'd love to hear about them. Leave a comment below. Your stories can help others make informed decisions. And if you're interested in more vehicle maintenance tips and product reviews, be sure to subscribe. Autel MaxiCheck MX808S, 2025 US Ver. Of MaxiCom MK808S/MK808Z, Bidirectional 11 Autel MX900 MK900 MK900 BT, 3000 plus active test, 28 plus service, Autel System OBDII Diagnostic Tool, FCA AutoAuth. Brand Autel. Product dimensions 6.9 L x 1.4 inches wide by 10 inches high. Operating system Android 11.0. Display resolution 1024 by 600. Automotive fit type universal fit. 5x faster speed with next-level hardware. Autel MaxiCheck MX808S bidirectional scanner is the M.OST competitive automotive diagnostic tool to date. With Rockchip RK3566 4-core CPU, 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM, built based on Android 11 platform, Autel MX808S provides 5x faster service speed than the old MK808/MX808 and any other brand diagnostic tools which are built on the outdated Android 4. No more slow and delayed feedback. It's time to update your garage with the 2025 new .est MX808S. Megaphone emoji, 2025 US Ver. Of Autel MaxiCheck MK808S/MK808Z. Autel MaxiCheck MX808S OBDII scanner diagnostic tool is made for US market and it is all functions of Autel MaxiCheck MK808S and MK808Z and MK808BT Pro. Lightbulb emoji, full bidirectional control, same as MaxiCheck MX900/MaxiCheck MK900. Lightbulb emoji, 28 plus services. Lightbulb emoji, compatible with Autel MV108S endoscope. Lightbulb emoji, All Systems Diagnostics. Lightbulb emoji, FCA AutoAuth. No need to think twice. Autel MX808S Auto Diagnostic Scanner definitely becomes the B.est bang for your bucks. Thumbs up emoji, 3000 plus active tests, same as Autel MaxiCheck MK900/MK900BT. Active test has always been one of the most useful functions in car maintenance. Autel OBDII scanner MX808S can send action commands to vehicle subsystems or components for active test without using vehicle controls. It can perform various tests such as EV, AP test, fuel trim reset, injector buzz test, window/mirror/door lock test, pump and value tests, etc. Autel MX808S is the #1 bidirectional car scanner for you. Thumbs up emoji, OI level all systems diagnostics, same as MaxiCheck MX900. Autel MaxiCheck MX808S scanner is a universal vehicle diagnostic tool which can access to all available car systems such as engine, trans, brake, TPMS, battery, SRS etc. to read and clear codes. Furthermore, it can display 5-in-1 live data in graph, text, columnar, meter, waveform. Autel MX808S is the finest and M.OST competitive tool for home mechanics and people starting a repair business. Thumbs up emoji, 28 plus hot services for 150 plus makes Autel MX808S OBDII scanner diagnostic tool is with 28 plus service functions that can satisfy all the daily car maintenance demands, including ABS bleeding, airbag reset, oil reset, EPB reset, BMS reset, SAS calibration, injector coating, crank relearn, throttle, wind DR roof, seats, headlamp, trans adaptation etc. Please be kindly noted that services are not universally compatible. Please check compatibility via Autolusa at Outlook.com before purchase. Thumbs up emoji, 3x quicker auto VIN and auto scan with latest VIN-based auto VIN feature and auto scan technology. Autel MX808S automotive diagnostic scan tool can quickly work on specific vehicles to retrieve VIN information and perform comprehensive scan on all available systems for efficient and accurate diagnosis and services. No need to go to the dealer, you can be a master yourself with Autel MX808S. Please be noted that auto VIN is not universal to all cars, but you can always input VIN manually. Thumbs up emoji, 10,000 plus vehicle coverage, enhanced OBDII scanner. Autel MX808S car diagnostic tool shares same wide vehicle coverage as Autel MK808S/MK808/MK808BT Pro, covering 10,000 plus US, Asian, EU vehicles. More newer cars are inconsistent adding. Autel MX808S car scan tool is compatible with over 95% OBDII/EIB cars. Fast access option for OBDII/EIB vehicle diagnosis is available to present a quick way to check DTCs, locate the cause of a mill, monitor status prior to smog check, verify repairs and etc. Autel has been helping home mechanics and car repair shops dealing with the widest variety of automotive questions since 2004. As one of the Mo.st trusted names in automotive aftermarket, we understand the importance of fast and accurate repairs. Our diagnosis scanners, AutoAuth equipment, TPMS service tools provide the M.OST cost-effective tools for quick, accurate repairs to satisfy every demands of technicians and shops of any size. Big money saver. A must-have OBDII diagnostic scan tool for vehicle maintenance. More advanced hardware. Same as Autel MaxiCheck MK808S, MK808Z, MK808ZBT, MK808KBT, MK808BT Pro, MK900, MK900BT, MaxiCheck MX900, 2025 newest MaxiCheck MX808S auto diagnostic scanner for all cars is also built with 5x faster processor RK3566, latest Android 11.0 OS, 4G RAM/64G memory, to offer you a fresh new operation experience with Diagnostics. Wait no seconds for accurate diagnostic results and efficient services anymore. More practical features. Autel MaxiCheck MX808S versatile OBDII car scanner is capable of performing more diagnostics and services than OI tools. It provides same functions as its next-level MaxiCheck MX900/MaxiCheck MK900/MK900BT.